Mother's Day 2009, and he's eating egg yolk, and he's flipping out.
Loves it.
Look at that. He's lapping it up.
It's cooked egg yolk.
Oh, cooked, yes, of course. We can't.
It's not. He's not
raw
Rocky
egg.
just yet.
Look at you. Oh, you want more? You want more? Do you like your egg yolk? Yes, I think you do.
More? It's Mommy's first Mother's Day.
Yes. Thank you, honey.
Happy Mother's Day, honey.
There you go. I'll only film you one more time, then you can go on and eat your egg yolk in peace. He's got a firm grip on Daddy. Very firm grip, actually. Oh, you really want that egg yolk. Oh, take a breather.